checking out the mighty Medic Vaporizer from Storz and Bickel. This quality vaporizer is part of the range of vaporizers from the German company Storz and Bickel. Comes with this handy grinder. Here we're going to use the capsules. We just need to take the top off so we can fill it. It also works with hashish. It even comes with a pokey tool for this. You can place your flower or hashish directly into the heating chamber, without using the capsules. Works in centigrade or Fahrenheit, and heats up to 210 degrees centigrade, or 410 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to start at 150 degrees centigrade. After about 5 pulls I go up in temperature 5 degrees up to 190. I use Sapphire Clinics to obtain my prescription, that gets sent to the dispensary that is Curaleaf. Storz and Bickel also have a filling pad, where you can place concentrates like waxes, shatter, or thicker oils.